Top 10 highest paying jobs in the world. Top 10. Internist. What is the role of an internist? An internist is a physician who specializes in diagnosing and treating patients with internal injuries or diseases that do not require surgery. They do not perform any surgical procedures. Their treatment focuses primarily on acute illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and Alzheimer's. And this is regarded as one of the highest paying jobs in the world. Many internists focus their attention and energy on a single internal organ system, such as the digestive system. Prerequisites. 1. A 4-year bachelor's degree in medicine from a medical school. 2. Internship and residency programs lasting 3 to 7 years. Salary potential. $229,500. Top 9. Pediatrician. Some professions in this world are known as noble professions, and one of them is medicine. Along with money, this profession brings name and fame. Being a pediatrician allows you to see children on a daily basis and treat their ailments. A pediatrician's primary responsibilities include diagnosing, preventing, and treating diseases and injuries in children. They also look for physical, mental, or social health issues in children to ensure they are as comfortable as possible. What else is needed besides a name, fame, and a lot of money? Prerequisites. An MBBS plus MD degree in pediatrics is required to become a pediatrician. Salary potential. $238,000. Top 8. Airline pilot and co-pilot. This job requires brave and enthusiastic individuals. This job is for people who enjoy flying and think it's cool. If you are one of them, you should pursue this fantastic career without hesitation. It is one of the highest paying jobs and comes with a hefty stipend. To earn a nice package and attractive perks, you must go through rigorous training and a physical examination. To become a pilot, there are some standard medical prerequisites that need to be qualified successfully. Even after becoming a pilot, some new tests and checkups must be completed and qualified successfully. Prerequisites. 1. 10+2 in Science MPC Commerce. 2. Commercial pilot license. Salary potential. $240,000. Top 7. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrists are doctors who diagnose and treat mental illnesses. They listen to patients' concerns and determine the underlying cause of their ailments. This type of treatment is more detailed and systematic because it requires a thorough understanding of the patient's history, which can take some time to comprehend. This could be a good job as the average salary is quite handsome in this profession. Prerequisites. 1. The first requirement for becoming a psychiatrist is an MBBS degree. 2. Then, through an exam, apply for a PG in psychiatry. It is another highest paying career in the world. Salary potential. $281,113. Top 6. Gynecologist. What exactly is a gynecologist? Gynecologists are doctors who specialize in female reproductive health. Their primary concern is to diagnose and treat problems with the female reproductive tract. The uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and breasts all are included in his treatment area. Anyone who has female organs should see a gynecologist. According to the data, nearly 80% of women who visit gynecologists are between the ages of 15 and 45. What is the role of a gynecologist? Gynecologists provide reproductive and sexual health services such as Pap tests, pelvic exams, vaginal infection testing and treatment, and cancer screenings. They are experts in detecting and treating reproductive system disorders like infertility, pelvic pain, endometriosis, and ovarian cysts. They also treat patients suffering from ovarian, cervical, and other reproductive cancers. Prerequisites: 1. Should have an MBBS degree. 2. After completion of a medical degree, one should have completed a postgraduate program in gynecology. Salary potential: $299,100. Top 5. Orthodontist. There are numerous opportunities to earn good money in this profession. It is one of the highest paying jobs in the dental industry. An orthodontist's job entails examining, diagnosing, and correcting any dental abnormalities relating to the position of the jaw and teeth. They are experts in using braces and retainers to straighten teeth, correct crooked smiles, and adjust bite positions. Prerequisites: 1. Should have a bachelor's degree, a dental degree. 2. Should have a certificate of orthodontics, gained through a residency. Salary potential: $304,000. Top 4. Chief Executive Officer. A chief executive officer is the highest-ranking executive in a company and one of the highest-paid positions. CEOs are responsible for determining and handling the company's corporate affairs, making crucial corporate decisions, managing resources, and supervising all managerial operations like coordinating, planning, and directing the activities at the highest level. The CEO serves as the company's face and is chosen by the board of directors and shareholders. CEOs are in charge of directing the company's growth. They set the tone, vision, and culture of a company, be it big or small. How do you become a CEO? The wording is a little different, but the wording is the same. A bachelor's degree followed by a master's degree is the bare minimum requirement for adding value as a firm leader. Legal knowledge is an important addition to the knowledge list for this position. Further, since it is a C-suite job, companies look for a CEO who has the significant industry experience and degrees in the company's field. What are the skills required to become successful CEO? Leadership, management, decision-making skills, communication skills, diverse skill set, teamwork, and organizational skills. Being a CEO is a difficult, time-consuming, and field endeavor. So, if you want to work in this field, be prepared to put in the hours. Salary potential: $310,000. Top 3. Anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologists are physicians who have received additional training in preoperative care. This is one of the world's highest-paying jobs. They play a critical role in a surgical procedure because they must ensure that the patient receives the proper type and dosage of anesthesia while under the scalpel. Not only that, but they must monitor the patient's vitals and ensure that they are unconscious during the procedure. They are also in charge of monitoring a patient's pain medication and assisting with their recovery. How does one go about becoming an anesthesiologist? A commitment to both resources is required to become an anesthesiologist. The following is a list of the best restaurants in the area. After that, you can apply to medical school and obtain a medical degree as well as a license. But before being able to work independently, you must complete residency and work under experienced anesthesiologists to learn skills and observe. It is a lengthy and arduous process that typically necessitates 12 to 13 years of medical training. What are the skills required to become an anesthesiologist? Critical thinking, stress management, focus, problem solving, and teamwork. Salary potential: $326,296. Top 2. Oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons work in a different field than regular dentists. Their primary responsibility is to perform surgery on the face, mouth, and jaw. They mainly focus on hard and soft tissues. The significance of this career is that it allows you to help others while also being financially rewarded. This cannot be said for all of the occupations on our list. Prerequisites. Criteria to become an oral and maxillofacial surgeon vary from country to country. However, on an average, the following is required. 1. Should have a dentistry degree. 2. 4 years of training in oral and maxillofacial surgery. Salary potential: $333,293. Top 1. Neurosurgeon. A neurosurgeon is the highest paying job in the world. Neurosurgeons are specially trained to diagnose and surgically treat central and peripheral nervous system disorders. It is the most in-demand medical profession in today's world, so extensive training and education are required. Prerequisites. A neurosurgeon earns big bucks, but for that, he is required to do the following. 1. Should have an MBBS degree. 2. Should have PG in neurosurgery program. 3. A fellowship to specialize in one particular area. 4. In addition, it is pertinent for a neurosurgeon to stay updated with all the latest advances taking place in neuroscience and attend regular meetings, seminars, and conferences. Salary potential: $496,000.